Good morning, Lieutenant Alas. Ako din si Jay.
O ako si Elaine. O karon manotice ninyo ang pag-atsada gyud sa atong mga views and amenities.
Sakto kay Elaine. Pag ang purpose ani nga video is to show nga ang atong event which is Fantasy, Be Who You Wanna Be is dili gyud basta-basta nga event.
Yes, Jay. And now, let's check it out kung unsa pa ang mga gina-feature sa atong event. O karon manan-aw ta sa atong short nga promotional video. Tara! At Parco Hotel, Tugman, Cagayan de Oro. It's about few kilometers away from the city. And pagsulod pa lang nimo daan sa gate, makita na nimo ang mga trees, labi na ang atong fresh air, ma-feel good nimo, labi na ang relaxing ambience sa atong venue.
I'm gonna get every time you spend the night. Cause your sex takes me to paradise. Yeah, your sex takes me to paradise. And it shows. Yeah. Cause you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven. Oh, too long. Oh, too long. Yeah, you make me feel like I've been locked out of heaven. Oh, too long. Oh, too long. Oh, yeah.
A beautiful place to stay. And makita niyo nga sa reception pa lang dahil grabe na siya ka-relaxing because it's so quiet and pagkatsada po ng views is good. And pag gusto po ka further, makita niyo ang pool na pagkatsada po kayo and a more comfortable place to experience.
You can make a sinner change his ways. Open up your gates, cause I can't wait to see the light. And right there is where I wanna stay. Cause your sex takes me to paradise. Yeah, your sex takes me to paradise. And it shows. Yeah. Cause you make me feel like I've been locked out of
Kung ako ito ang magawa promotional video about sa venue, about sa event, kung sa mga members na wala pa nakasecure ng ticket, maka-avail ng ticket for only 650 pesos. Kung sa katong magawa ng Joy, think again. This is the biggest event we'll never get this.
O karon para sa non-pro members and non-black titans, ang atong ticket is only for 450 pesos. So sa pag-inyong gilatan, ayan na mo pagpanduay-dugay o palit na mo sa among ticket. This is our fantasy ticket, Be Who You Wanna Be, January 27, 2013 Sunday.
Joy na!